Hi, my name is Mina Pence from Beauty World, Wilmington, North Carolina. Today you're going to learn how to make your wig look natural. Tips on how to make wigs look real. Materials you need: wig shine and a bend brush. If you want to make your wigs look real and natural, what you want to do is use a bent brush and not metal brush like this. This is going to snag your wig. So you're going to want to use this brush, any brush with the big plastic tips on it, okay? And a lot of times the wigs come with the long bangs, so you're going to want to cut that, like right above your eyebrow or on your eyebrow. So you're going to want to trim the bangs. All these wigs come with the longer bangs. Or if you don't know how to trim, you can always pull back the wigs like that to make it look natural and not all on your eyes. And don't be afraid to brush them. You want to flare them out, you can. Don't be afraid to style them. You can also use oil-free wig shine. When it becomes a little dull, you had it for a month or so, you can always spray the wig shine to make it shinier. Lot of people want to use mousse for their synthetic hair, but you do not want to style any kind of synthetic hair with mousse, because it will break down the fiber and you will get little freezes a lot quicker. So if you want to maintain the wig, the synthetic fiber, as silky as possible, you're going to always want to use the oil-free wig shine. And if you want to put a little bump in it, you're just going to have to use the brush. You can't use any kind of mousse or gel, things like that on synthetic wigs. I'm Mina Pence from Beauty World, Wilmington, North Carolina, and today you learned how to make your wigs look natural.